Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Flappy Cat. This incredibly simple yet challenging game requires just one primary action: tapping. Your goal is to guide a cute, pixelated cat through an endless series of gaps. Each tap makes your feline friend flap its wings and gain a little altitude. If you stop tapping, gravity takes over, and your adventure ends with a gentle thud. It's all about timing and rhythm. As your cat flies forward, you'll encounter numerous green pipes, appearing in pairs from the top and bottom of the screen. Your task is to navigate the cat through the small horizontal gap between these pipes. Each successful passage through a pipe gap awards you 1 point. The challenge intensifies as the gaps can vary in height and position, demanding quick reflexes and precise control. Keep your eyes on the prize, or rather, on the gap. To achieve impressive high scores, consistency is key. Try to find a steady tapping rhythm that allows you to maintain a relatively stable flight path. Instead of fixating solely on your cat, shift your focus slightly ahead to anticipate the next set of pipes. This foresight gives you a crucial fraction of a second to adjust. Remember, practice truly makes perfect in Flappy Cat. Even a few minutes daily can significantly enhance your skills. True mastery of Flappy Cat comes from understanding the subtle nuances of each tap. Learn how a quick double tap differs from a single, longer press. Don't get discouraged by frequent crashes. Instead, view each game as an opportunity to learn. Reflect on why you failed and adjust your strategy. With patience and consistent practice, you'll soon be soaring past your previous bests, guiding your adorable cat to new, incredible distances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.